Hey guys, this is the channel of random Minecraft stuff and more, and back with another clock video for part 2 Christmas edition of Christmas special part 2. I'm gonna film my second Seiko Westminster Whittington. This clock is for the 1980s because of the sound. And this sounds exactly like my grandparents' Seiko Westminster Whittington regulator style wall clock. And I've heard it chime Westminster all the time while I was at my grandparents' old house, and yeah, it was first when I was little. Same with the Seth Thomas Westminster Whittington with the Seiko movement, and yeah. So yeah, we're gonna hear it chime Westminster first. Then I would do Whittington. But you can see it's getting close. Also, I'm reflecting on here. You probably saw me swinging on my swivel chair. Yeah, the glass is somewhat reflecting me. Also, I apologize for a small mess on my desk, and pretty soon it's gonna chime 1:15. Sorry for the background noise. That's my exhaust fan in my bathroom. And it's a close call that it looks like it's gonna go off. Actually, it may go off in a minute or less. I'm not 100% sure, but let's go ahead and wait. Alright, it's gonna go off. Right. Now, I'm assuming? Alright, whatever. There it went. Now we're gonna move on to 1/2. Okay, now we will move on to 1/4. Alright. Okay, so here's the top of the hour. I'm doing a video. Okay, Here's the quarter past of the Whittington chime. Okay, now we'll move on to half past. Okay, now we will move on to quarter till. Okay, and finally, the top of the hour. Yeah, here it comes. It's gonna go off real soon. Okay, now that was my second Seiko Westminster Whittington clock. Hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching. The channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More, out.